Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my favorite video of the month. It is Ipsy, and you guys know I always look at my bag. I did peek at my bag, and when it came in the mail I looked in my bag. But some of the stuff I haven't tried. I did try one of the products because I was super excited about it. My glasses have a horrible glare, so I'm gonna take them off because that's probably annoying to you guys. Okay, so anyway, we're just gonna open this again. I did open it like I said, but it's new to you. You haven't seen it, so it still should be interesting. So this year, well, I guess so. It is January's glam bag. It says New Year, more products, more focus on you. January 2019 hashtag Ipsy recharge, and it's like a whole booklet. It like tells you what your products are for. Oops, now you know what I got on one of the things I got. But it tells you all about your products, and it gives you way more information than they used to give us on that tiny little card. So that's really cool. I'm not gonna show you this right now because I don't want to show you the rest of everything I got and spoil the video. So let's just get into it. Okay, so the first things I got are these sheet masks. This sheet is bananas, and you can't handle this sheet. And I don't know how to say the brand. Jejuin. Y'all let me know. This one has a volcanic ash. It says it's purifying. That sounds a little dangerous. I don't know. Volcanic ash, okay. And this one has hyaluronic acid. I hear a bunch of beauty people talk about hyaluronic acid. It's supposed to be really good for your face. So I'm excited about this. I kind of wasn't at first because I'm not like a huge face mask kind of person. But I'm going to give it a try. I mean, I got it in my bag, so I'm going to give it a try. Oh, and I forgot to show you the bag. It looks like this. It's super cute. Kind of reminds me of the beach, though. Not very wintry, but it's really cute, though. Okay, so the next thing is this VDL Lumi Layer, not Luminator, Lumi Layer Primer. And I think I read that it's kind of like a face primer. You can wear it alone. You can wear it underneath your makeup. It's kind of just like, it's a face primer. So let's take a look at it. That looks like it's Korean or something. I don't know if it'll focus. Sorry, guys. But yeah, I don't know. It looks like it's like a Korean brand or something. And I have not tried this yet. Is it not open? Is there not anything in this? I don't... Oh, crap. Oh, I did not mean to squirt that much out. What a waste. Ugh. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and rub it in since I wasted it. Oh, it smells very good. It's very fresh. It's almost like a lotion, and you see how, oh, you can see that really good on the camera. It's just very shimmery, and I think that'll look pretty on the skin just by itself. Give you that nice glow. I don't think I would wear that much, which this is probably half empty now because I squeezed it all out on my hand and wasted it. But it smells pretty good. I don't know, I'm into that. And it's not too shimmery, like, it's just glow. It smells really good. It's kind of like fresh and a light perfume-ish kind of smell. So I think I'm gonna like it. All right, next thing I got is this Luxie. I think it's a contour brush is what they're calling it. It is a 10-10 small contour. So I guess for like right here, I'm not really a contour kind of person. I don't really know how to do that very good. So I don't know. I'll play around with it or use it for blush or something, highlight. And it's real grippy, like this material. It's like sturdy. It's like it reminds me of like a pencil grip or something. So that's nice. Next thing I got, which I won't open this because I already have like 3 mascaras opened, but it's the Ciate London Wonder Wand mascara. It's really cute. It has some little stars on it. I don't know much about this mascara, so I hope it's good. I'm just not going to open it. I don't want to waste another mascara. Okay, and the last thing in my bag, which I'm super excited about, I've already tried it out. It is this lip gloss. It's like a light blue color, but it doesn't really show up blue on the lips. It might give a little cast of blue, but like barely. And I guess it's called Fluid. And I've never heard of this brand, but I love like the packaging. Look at the letters. That's so cool. And this, I tried it out earlier. I just had to. But it's kind of like a, I don't know, coconutty vanilla-y smell. That might be a bad description. I don't know, but I really like this. It's very pretty. It's like not super sticky, like it doesn't shrink up. And it's like thick but moisturizing. I like it a lot. I'm just like talking and putting on lip gloss. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. So, yeah, I'm gonna put this in my purse for sure. Like, I like this. So, I don't know, it doesn't look blue, does it? But I really like that. So yeah, this was the bag overall this month, and I'm really excited. I know they're gonna be like doing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, like launching it for everyone to try, because I know like some people on YouTube have been trying it, but it hasn't like been open to everyone. So I'm super excited to be able to try that when it's available. So yeah, and there's more information on my products here, but I'm not going to bore you and read all of that, but that is what they're doing now. I think it's really awesome. They're giving us all this information. This information, actually, they put it on the app if you guys use the app. And you should use the app because you can like review your products for points, and then when you get enough points you can actually get free stuff in your glam bag. So if you don't have the app, you need the app, and it's free. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like I said, this is like my favorite video to do every month. It's just so much fun. I love Ipsy. It's the best. So I will see you guys next time. Remember to like this video if you like it and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you later. Bye.